Fiber is an up-and-coming trend and a great one in our opinion. For years, Google Fiber has been taking the world by storm. But will its limited availability take the wind out of its sails? I'm Riley with Switchful, and let's figure it out. We rank our internet service providers on value, performance, equipment and installation, and customer experience. Google Fiber offers excellent value at a decent price. There are two different plans, 1 gigabit per second for $70 a month, or 2 gigabits per second for $100 a month. The 1 gigabit plan is among the most affordable we've seen for speed, and the 2 gigabit plan is drastically cheaper than some of its competitors. Unfortunately, there is no budget plans for customers who don't need those fast speeds. But with what Google Fiber does offer, the value is hard to beat. Now let's dive into performance. Google Fiber is one of the fastest internet providers and offers great performance even for the heaviest of internet users. Since this is a fiber network, symmetrical upload and download speeds are possible, and Google delivers them. The fact that Google Fiber has unlimited data is just the cherry on top. Google Fiber really shines when it comes to equipment and setup costs. Installation of the Fiber Jack is free, and there are no monthly fees for the network box, which functions as both a modem and a router. Google Fiber also doesn't charge any sort of activation fee. On paper, Google Fiber and its equipment are fantastic. However, it may take some time for installation. Customers have complained of having to wait months to get Google Fiber installed in their home, even after fiber optic cables have been laid in their neighborhood. And if you're trying to squeeze every last megabit per second out of your connection, you'll want to buy your own equipment. Most current consumer gear can't deliver gig speeds, and Google's hasn't caught up with its growing fiber network either. Given the excellent speeds, decent pricing, and lack of fees, it's safe to say that Google Fiber makes for an excellent experience. Google offers great online support, but so-so phone support. With that being said, we've seen a few customer complaints about Google Fiber, and in our own experience, we've rarely needed customer support from Google Fiber. We also love how straightforward the billing is. The monthly bills are very clear about how much you owe, and there are no hidden fees. We gave Google Fiber a rating of 4.3 stars, while customers gave it a rating of 4.5 stars. So, what are your thoughts? Is Google Fiber for you? Why or why not? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about Google Fiber or other fiber providers, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check us out at switchful.com. We'll see you next time.